Honeydue Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Honeydue are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Let's dive straight into the review. Honeydue is a financial tool specifically designed for couples to manage their shared expenses, track bills, and maintain transparency in their finances. It allows partners to link their bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions to get a real-time view of their combined finances. One of the standout features is the ability to create shared budgets, set goals for savings, and keep track of recurring expenses like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Honeydue also provides bill reminders so you won't miss a payment, and even allows partners to chat within the app about specific transactions, making communication about money easier. Honeydue is perfect for couples looking for a simple, effective way to manage their finances together. It's especially helpful for those who want to keep track of both joint and individual expenses without overwhelming each other with financial details. The app allows users to decide how much financial transparency they want. For example, partners can choose to share everything or just certain accounts. There's also the option to add personal accounts, where individual spending is kept separate. Now, let's go over the strengths. Honeydue's ability to consolidate all financial accounts in one place makes it easy for couples to track shared and personal finances. The app's built-in reminders for bills and due dates help ensure nothing is forgotten. The customizable notification system is another plus, as it allows users to choose how much information they receive about their partner's spending. Honeydue is also free, making it an accessible choice for couples of all budgets. However, there are some weaknesses. The app's bill syncing feature doesn't work with all service providers, which can be inconvenient. Some users also report occasional syncing issues with bank accounts or delays in updating transactions. The app doesn't offer as many in-depth financial planning tools as other budgeting apps, and its investment tracking capabilities are minimal. Final verdict: Honeydue is a great tool for couples looking to streamline their financial management and ensure transparency in their spending. However, if you're seeking more advanced financial tools or investment tracking, you may need to look for other options. Check the links in the description for more details.